In number 294, question number 1818, from the information given below, Jamna Das Trust prepare an income expenditure account for the year ending on 31/3/2015 and balance sheet as on that date. Now balance sheet is already given. Now what balance sheet is this? हमें कौन सा balance sheet करना है? We have to prepare a balance sheet as on 31/3/2015 and this balance sheet is on 31/3/2014. So this is a opening balance sheet, right in the bracket, opening. Very interesting sum. Now capital fund already given, excess of income over expense 20,000 already given. Now ये previous year का excess of income or expense है which will be adding it to capital fund. Then subscription received in advance, you can see opening, so subscription को tick करो. Then unpaid expense, outstanding expense 5600. Now this is important, please ध्यान देना. Unpaid expense beginning में 5600 था for the year 13 and 14. Now check करो उसमें से कितना पे कर दिया हमने 4,800. कहना इसे उसमें और भी अभी पेंडिंग है, still pending. So unpaid expense को मार्क करो, टिक करो and नीचे expense for 5800 को भी टिक करो. 5600 के पास unpaid expense ब्रैकेट में लिख दो 4800 paid. So this will go to the balance sheet because here out of 5600 we paid 4800, so still 800 we have to pay. समझ में आया सबको? Okay, then 6% loan 20,000, we'll see later on. Income expenditure account 6480 separately given. Land and building 1,20,000, cash balance closing, we don't need to take it. Cross कर दो cash balance. Subscription outstanding. Now subscription maybe please ध्यान दो. Subscription outstanding was 1520. उसमें से we had to receive 1520. We received how much? Wrong. We received only 800. पता चला सबको? Once again, subscription outstanding was 1520 for the year 13 and 14. Against that we received only 800, so 720 is still outstanding. Got it? Tick karo. Locker rent outstanding 960. Now locker rent outstanding, how much locker rent we have received? 2,800. There is no bifurcation कि इसके अंदर प्रीवियस ईयर का कितना है, तो भी एज्यूम पूरा का पूरा पैसा हमें मिल गया. तो 960 को क्रॉस कर दो, उसको हम एडजस्ट कर देंगे इन लॉकर्स रेंट, टिक लॉकर्स रेंट. देन लेट्स गो टू इनकम. सब्सक्रिप्शन इनकम एंट्रेंस फी, इज देयर एडजस्टमेंट? यस. 50% capitalized, so income and capital fund. Take locker rent, we have already taken. Refreshment income, locker rent also income. Expense, furniture we are buying, so 16,000. Later we'll see this asset. Interest on loan 600. Now see, this is a adjustment. Can I say hidden adjustment? Loan कितना है? 6% loan है. 20,000 का loan है, तो 6% of 20,000 is 1200. मिला कितना? 600. So take interest on loan, take 6% loan, both. Refreshment expense and closing balance is closing cash balance asset. Now subscription outstanding for the year 14-15 is 3,200. We'll adjust this. Expense outstanding for the year 14-15 is 1,000. We'll adjust this. Salary outstanding. Now, do we have salary? No. So can we include it in expenses? Isn't it? Expense का head नहीं दिया है, तो we include it, क्योंकि अगर salary outstanding है तो salary paid भी expenses में ही गया होगा. So we'll adjust this in expenses. We'll do it together. Then provide 5% debt on land and building and furniture. We'll do it. 50% entrance fee capitalized. Locker rent outstanding current year 360. Okay, ध्यान देना please. ये sum में lots of things are interconnected. Let's start with the opening balance sheet first and write capital fund. Opening balance. $1,08,000. Okay. Excess of income over expense we add over here only. Plus excess of income over expense. This of 13 and 14. 20,000. Then we have income expenditure account. We include this also over here. Plus income expenditure account. We may separately show it. Amount is 6480. Subscription received in advance का कुछ भी नहीं करना है because ये साल adjust हो जाएगा उसको cross कर दो. This will take it as a part of adjustment when we do subscription. Unpaid expense is very interesting. Leave few lines. Unpaid expense inner column. This is for 13 and 14, 5,600. 6% loan. Inner column 20,000. Land and building. Inner column 1,20,000. Cash balance not required. Subscription outstanding. Subscription outstanding 13, 14. Inner column 1520. Leave 3 lines blank. Locker rent outstanding 960. Inner column. Locker rent again 13, 14. 960 inner column. It's a tricky sum. Please ध्यान देना. किसी को कोई डाउट है इसमें? पता चल गया? No doubt. Okay. Now let's go to receipt payment account. We start with subscription. Buy subscription. Now please pay attention when we do this. We directly take the outer column 9,800 minus outstanding of current year, of previous year, sorry. Minus outstanding of previous year. Now previous year का opening outstanding कितना था? 1520. उसमें से कितना मिला हमें? 800 मिला. So यहाँ से हो जाएगा minus 800. यहां से भी हो जाएगा ना, माइनस रिसीव्ड 800. So 720 is for 13 and 14. Inner column में देखना, because 14, 15 का भी आएगा. ये पता चला सबको? अभी तक सब में क्या करते थे कि जितना आउटस्टैंडिंग था वो हम एज्यूम करते थे कि पूरा का पूरा हमें मिल गया, तो बैलेंस शीट में आता नहीं था. Then advance. So let's do outstanding of current year. Outstanding of current year is 3,200. So here we write outstanding for 14 and 15, 3,200. We close it 3,920. So we have two outstanding in the balance sheet, one for 13, 14 and another for 14 and 15. Got it all of you? Okay, Then advance plus advance received in previous year. How much advance we have received? 2,400. समझ में आया सबको? And if you would have shown over here advance received, subscription received in advance 2,400, पूरा 2,400 you are adjusting, so outer column will become 0. कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं है. समझ में आया सबको? लास्ट ईयर लोगों ने ये साल के लिए पैसा दे दिया था, तो लास्ट ईयर का इनकम नहीं है, ये साल का इनकम है. Got it? Then you have advance minus advance in current year. We have received advance how much? 600. Second effect, advance subscription. We received for 15 and 16. You write the year so that it is clear in your mind. 600. Close this. How much? 40,000. By entrance fee. Inner column 3,200. Minus 50% capitalized. 1,600. Plus entrance fees 1,600. Lockers rent also now we have adjustment. By lockers rent inner column 2,800. Now 2,800 में से locker rent outstanding was 960. Can you see 960? So this 960 we assume we have received in full. So minus received 960 तो हो जाएगा dash. समझ में आया सबको? 960 is what we should have received in 2,800. We don't have any details, so we assume कि पूरा का पूरा पैसा हमें मिल गया. So minus outstanding of previous year 960. How much is for the current year? 360. Plus outstanding of current year 360. So 2,200. Yeah? Any doubt? Okay. Second effect. Outstanding 1450. 360. 360. Understood this, all of you? Next, refreshment income 16,000. By refreshment income 16,000. Expense. Now this is interesting over here. To expense. Inner column 12,800. How much expense should we have paid in this year? 5,600. How much we have paid? How much we have paid in receipt payment? 13-14 का कितना पे किया? 4,800. So minus paid 4,800. Still outstanding 800. minus outstanding of previous year 4,800. Then outstanding of current year is 1,000. So plus outstanding of current year 1,000, plus we also have salary outstanding. So plus salary outstanding 2,000 plus outstanding salary 2,000. $11,000. Second effect, unpaid expense 1415, 1,000 plus outstanding salary 2,000. Up to column 3,000. Depreciation, okay, later. Expense done. All of you understood this expense? Okay. Then furniture we have purchased on 110, 16,000. Interest on loan, inner column 600. To interest on loan, inner column 600. Now, how much interest should we have paid? 1,200. We paid how much? 600. So 600 is outstanding. All of you understood this 600? 20,000 का लोन है, 6% का इंटरेस्ट है, so 1,200. उसमें से 600 already we had paid, so 600 is outstanding. So outstanding, we added. $20,600. Next. Refreshment expense 9,000. To refreshment expense 9,000. Cash 33,400. Depreciation, provide 5% on land and building. Second effect. Then furniture 10%. Now depreciation on furniture 10% for how many months? 6 months. So it is 800. Second effect. All adjustments done? Okay. Check the two effects and start closing. Okay. Which side is more? Credit side is more. Someone is saying debit side is more. Surplus or credit side is more. Okay, 33, 800. 800. 2. Excess of income over expense. 5800. Transfer it to excess of income over expense. It should tally. And total is 166,880.